Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. I've got the Nothing Ear Stick earbuds here. Yeah, check out this box. So let's unbox this together, shall we? Here we go. I'm gonna open this and ta-da, and ooh, we've got a little thing here. And I guess I gotta open both sides because I think there's more. Let's open the other side. Take a look. All right. Ooh, there they are. Much smaller than I expected. Okay, so that's it for the case. Let's look at what's in here before we look at the other earbuds. All right, so we've got USB cable and a manual. Very cute. So USB Type-C to Type-C, very short little cable. Nice. And then there's a barcode here. You guys should scan it. It's nothing up. And then, just instructions for the ear stick. Multiple languages. Really hard to look at. Doesn't look like there's any illustrations or anything. Anyway, we came here for the earbuds. So a little bit of a background on these, okay? Nothing has been making earbuds before. They made the Nothing Ear 1 last year. And the Nothing Ear 1 were pretty amazing. For $100, you got ANC, active noise canceling, and a wireless charging case, right? And it costs about $99, which was pretty awesome. Now, these also cost $99, but they don't have wireless charging in the case. And they are also not active noise canceling. They are passive. They're not even passive. They basically just sit on the outside of your ear canal, kind of like the original OnePlus Buds. Now, that's what they're designed to do, and that's kind of what they're going for. But here's the problem. I don't have an issue at all with the fact that it lacks wireless charging. It's hard to do wireless charging in a case like this, but it's also no big deal to me there's no ANC and that it's an open ear, kind of half in-ear design, if that's what they chose to do. The problem is that this costs the same price, $99. In fact, the old ear ones have gone up to $149 now, which is really crazy. Now, I understand inflation, supply issues, and 2022 and all the madness, but you're asking me to pay as much for this as what 6 months ago I could pay to get noise canceling, ANC, and wireless charging. So I'm not sure that's a really selling point, right? Now, it is super cool, right? Because you just rotate like this, and then they appear. See? Look at that. Boom. I'm going to get a little closer to show you. Look at that. Cool, right? Look at that. Nice. Now it's protected, and now it's open, and you can get to the buds. See? Like that. And to this bud. Yeah. Now this is really cool. There's no doubt about that, right? And USB-C charger. You can see there's like magnets that hold this in place up here, this metal thing. It's all translucent, just like the old ear ones. I mean, design-wise, this is brilliant. And again, the magnet is what latches this. There's no like plastic detent here. This is all magnetic, which is really cool. Anyway, so as you can see, there's a few charging contacts and a USB-C connector for charging. Let me actually show you the buds. And as you can see, there's no ear tips here. This just sits on your ears, like this is the left and this is the right. You can tell because of the color here, red and white. So just stick them in your ear like this, and the sound comes out of these little things. So now, based on my experience with the Nothing Ear 1, which I love, they sound really good. And from what I'm hearing, these also sound really good. I haven't tried them out. I just opened it up for you guys. But let me try them out and get back to you, and maybe another video or definitely on the podcast with my thoughts. So that's it. And again, you get this super cool translucent design with the circuit board and all the pieces inside that are really well done. It's hard to make a design like this without any glue marks or anything. Very cool. So anyway, that's it, guys. That's a quick look at the Nothing Ear Stick. There's really not too much to talk about here other than, they are pretty awesome. Stay tuned for more. I just want to give you a quick look at this. And remember, this is a compliment to my podcast. So like, subscribe, tell your friends, click the little notification bell. Tell me in the comments below, are these the earbuds for you? Are you bummed that they're the same price as the ear ones used to be and that the ear ones are more? Or do you not care and for you this is what you want. It's funny, this feels like paper, although it's plastic. It's very cool. Anyway, you know this is a compliment to my podcast, this channel, so if you want visual content for the podcast, this is it. Subscribe. It's at mobiletechpodcast.com and on all the major platforms, Google, Apple, Spotify, Pocket Casts, everywhere. So check that out, and also check out my Patreon. Help the podcast, help the video channel. Patreon.com/tankgirl is URL. That's patreon.com/TNKGRL. You can get the podcast as a video version ahead of the public audio version if you subscribe. So check it out. That's it, folks. Cheers, everybody.